In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the knob off your timer. So the first thing you want to do if you're going to be removing the knob off your washer is you want to unplug it. And not so much from a safety point of view, but just from the fact that you're going to be turning it, you may be pushing it in and out, which is turning it on and off, so your machine's going to be trying to start, trying to stop. So just unplug it. And then on this one, this knob unthreads like a nut and bolt. Your machine may be different. The knob on your machine may just pull straight out, have a little wire clip or band around it that holds it onto the shaft. Some of them actually even have a clip from inside behind the timer that you have to pop off in order to release the knob. Depending on the type you have will determine which way you're going to go at it. But on this one, the timer knob basically just threads off like a nut and bolt. Now in this machine, the outer skirt is a separate part. On yours, this outer skirt may be actually part of your knob, so it'll come out at the same time. But in the case for this machine, it would be pulled off separately. And that's how easy it is to remove the knob off your timer.